everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking video and fraction video again. My video that I posted earlier was incomplete, so today I'm going to make it complete. So I'm going to have a complete video of a basic cake with
cinnamon
cake. Yes. So let us get started with our cake. And yeah.
Excuse me, child. Can you please make this video shorter, like only 2 seconds long, because I can't stand staying here for 10 minutes filming you.
Oh well, let's get started. Okay, if you're wondering how to make a basic cake, cinnamon cake with
the stuff
that you have, you need 5 eggs, and you crack them into your bowl, mix them up, a third of butter, not a third, actually an eighth if you have a long one, but if you have a small one, cut it into a third, and that is your butter.
Melt it in the
And
microwave.
then you melt it in the microwave, pour it into your bowl, and then you add 3
thirds of flour.
3/3 of flour,
One
and
whole.
a small half, just a small half. Okay, so I mixed this pre-hand, so this is how it should look like. But make sure, if you like your eggs, your flour in, so buttery. But if you like your sugar in with the eggs, go ahead. You don't have to follow my exact directions. But if you are very careful, you can follow these directions as much as you'd like.
And don't forget to put your baking powder, because if you don't, it's not going to look like a cake.
Okay, as I was saying, I already mixed up my 5 eggs, my 1 cup of flour, and my butter, my 1/8 of butter.
And
So-
some sugar.
Yes, and a lot, and sugar.
And don't forget your baking powder.
So when you have everything into your bowl, you get your baking powder. Get 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It is better. If you don't have baking powder, let me just warn you that your cake will turn into a floppy mess. And if you add milk,
And
your-
your house may not burn down even if you don't have baking powder, but your cake's not going to look like a cake.
it's just going to look like a floppy mess of something. So when you're done, you mix up your cakey baking powder. It might spread up into your face, but yes, that's your cake.
Don't forget your cinnamon.
Hey, we're not on to that part yet.
All right, forgot. I did
Meet
not
me
know.
back here when you're finished mixing everything so it's nice and smooth and soft. Okay, while you were mixing up your baking powder and your batter, mine looks pretty small, but it will fill my cake tin. Don't worry. Okay, but please mix it till it's a nice soft mixture.
Don't spill it. Don't spill it.
Was that for me or for them?
It was for me and them.
Yes. Okay, now we are going to do a cinnamon cake. So my cinnamon is a good spice. I just love it. So it goes good with anything.
Yeah, my sister loves putting. Yeah, she likes putting cinnamon in everything.
Smell. Okay, so you can add a little bit of cinnamon, none cinnamon, not at all. A little bit of cinnamon, no cinnamon at all, or just go flavorful. Yeah, I'm going flavorful. It's delicious. When you're done, yeah. Okay, when you're done with your cinnamon, you stir it. Okay, mine's gonna definitely be a brown cake. Ah. Okay.
You can add some sugar to cover the cinnamon, right?
Cinnamon's good. Okay, I'm done mixing. Wasn't hard, but it is now brown. I love it. I just love cinnamon. Cinnamon is the best spice I have ever tasted. So it's so good. Just hear me out. Try cinnamon in your cakes and stuff. Hey,
When will this video end? Can you please stop the video now?
patience, child.
But
Okay, since we are all done, we are going to take our cake tins or cupcake tins and cake tin. You're gonna fill it up lovely with
Don't forget to grease it with butter or margarine or greasing spray.
Yeah, greasing spray. Whatchamacallit. Okay, yeah. Get.
So you're gonna
just
pour
it in. Enjoy your pouring, guys. Okay, I have just finished filling up my cake tin with delicious cinnamon cake, and this is what I got. I love it. So this is the cake. Don't be worried if it's not very high. It's going to rise when it bakes. Now, I am going to plan my cake and top it off with some powdered sugar. You know me, I like powdered sugar and cinnamon, but if you don't have any powdered sugar, the good thing to do is grind some granulated sugar with a food processor. And one more thing, please don't forget this. You preheat your oven to 360 degrees. 350 degrees, sorry. And then you put it inside the oven for about 35 minutes and it will bake properly. Cake is baking.
Cake is baking. Apron's dirty.
Yes, it is. Okay, I'm just gonna list all the important facts from your video. This is a little late, but let's just list the important facts. Number 1, you have to grease your baking pan. Number 2,
Always ask your adult for help.
Number 3, set the oven to 350 degrees and let it preheat before you put it inside the oven. Number 4, your cake has to bake for 35 minutes at least. Number 5, to make sure that your cake is baking, you take a table knife, put it in there, you put it inside the cake.
If it comes out clean,
it's baked. Make sure that your knife is clean before you do it. See me cleaning my knife. See, now it's nice and shiny, and so when I poke it in, I won't get mistaken by any other dirt that was there before.
So, is the video ending now?
Patience, child. We will show you how this cake will look like after it bakes. After a short break. Hello everyone, this is your short break. Dancing. Woo, woo, woo. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my channel. How awkward is this? Subscribe. Woo. Yep, that's a short break. Sorry if your cake didn't bake this long as a short break, but at least you got to see me dance. Hello everyone. Again, our cake finished baking. I like it. Please, when you reach into the oven, please do not go with your bare hands.
It's gonna burn, so use your mitts.
Use your mitts, not boxing mitts, oven mitts. So, as I was saying, just
Subscribe.
eat your cake and subscribe to this video. And just like the video. We want to get
100 subscribers
in the end of 2 months. So after 2 months, I need to see 100 subscribers. So please subscribe to this video and like it. And
Goodbye, everyone.
goodbye. And enjoy your cake. Enjoy your cake.